Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sam. In this video we discuss Amazon Route 53 and how it routes traffic into our EC2 instances by configuring the hosted zones with some records. We also delve into routing policies where we talk about simple routing policy, latency based, geolocation, and so many others. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share for the YouTube algorithm to promote such videos to people who need them. See you in the video. Hello, welcome back. In our previous video we discussed Route 53. That was the concept of Route 53, and in this video we are going to do a demo of Route 53 configuration. Now the first thing we're going to do is to register our domain on AWS or using Route 53. After that we'll use a register a third-party domain and then configure that with our EC2 instance so that we can be able to display a website. Okay, so let's go ahead and register our domain. Route 53. Let's type Route 53. Okay, click on get started. Register a domain. Click on this one. Get started. Okay, so we need to first of all check for the availability of our domain. So let me check cloud tech with Sam. Let's search. Okay, so fortunately this is available for us to buy, so it's costing $14 per year. Click on select, proceed to checkout, click on next. Okay, so you provide your card details. When you are done, you click on next and then you'll be able to purchase or register a domain with AWS. So in this case I'm not going to do that. I already have a domain registered. So this is how you would purchase or register domain with AWS. Okay, so we don't have any domain now. Now the next thing we're going to do is we are now going to import our third-party domain and then create hosted zones to let traffic flow onto our EC2 instance. Okay, so click on hosted zones. Go to create hosted zones. Okay, so my domain name is draxmaph.com. Description, I can describe it like website. Okay, we're going to choose public hosted zone because we want everyone to access our website. So click on create hosted zones. Okay, so our hosted zone has been created. We now have to input in our DNS records. Okay, so we click on this. Now we already have our name servers inputted into this, and then the SOS also inputted. So we need to add a record for the IP address remember when we were treating Route 53 record types, we made mention of a record, which maps IP address to a single resource. Okay, so click on create record. I just want to add no domain. Maybe you can put www dot. Okay, here we choose the type of record. This is an A record. These are where we have all the record types. Okay, but we just want to do a simple A record, so put it there. Then for the value, we pick up our EC2 instance public IP. So click on copy. Then we paste our value here. We are going to engage the simple routing policy. Okay, so we will not change anything here. Then we click on create records. Okay, so now we need to copy these AWS generated NS records and then paste it into our third-party domain host. Okay, so we can copy. I have a third-party vendor with name.com. Okay, so I've already logged into my name.com, and then I go to my domains. Okay, so I open up, then I go to my name service. Okay, manage name service. Now this is where you paste all the name servers that Route 53. Okay, let me take off the dot. Okay, so this one doesn't require you to add the dot. Okay, so you don't need to add it. Okay, so now the changes have been applied successfully. Now let's go back to our EC2 instance. Okay, and then type www dot wow. Okay, so it is now displaying our website. Okay, so we have been able to successfully import our name servers into a third-party domain vendor for us to render our EC2 instance or web server, and it's working now. So if this has provided value to you, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and put in your comment in the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer every question that you have.